Hi everyone, welcome to the Kalwas. This is your host Dr. Haider Shah. I hope you will be enjoying our different videos on a different topic. So today we will discuss what is the pattern or what should be included in your conference paper. We have another video on a topic that what are the benefits of attending or presenting a paper in a conference. If you haven't watched that video, we would request that please watch that video in order to understand what are the benefits of attending or presenting your paper in conference. Okay, so for this video, we have 7 tips for you people to understand what is the pattern and what should be included in your conference paper. The first thing you need to understand is the check the conference requirements. What are the different requirements for that? And for that, we have the 2 steps. First, A step is the look for what is the format. Do the conference provide any template for that purpose in which they would have mentioned the font size or line space, etc. And the part B is the page, what is the page limit or words limit for that purpose. So you need to understand the complete format of your conference. Okay, the second tip is the prepare your abstract. While preparing your abstract, you need to consider that you must include the main ingredients, which are aim of the study, which could be 1 page or one sentence or 2 sentences, or what was your methodology, what were the results, and what is the implication of the study. So your abstract should include all these kind of things. And the third is the introduction. In introduction, you must mention what is the background of the study, what is the problem statement, what is the research gap, research contribution, research questions, and research objectives. Okay, the fourth tip is the prepare your literature review properly. In literature review section, you must define your independent variable, dependent variable, what are the moderating variable, what are the mediating variable, what is the relationship between these variable, and then the theory, which theory you are following, why this theory particularly, and the theoretical framework which you have developed. So you need to explain all these things in your literature review section. Okay, the fifth tip is the methodology section. In methodology section, you have to tell your audience that which research design you followed, what type of research work you are carrying out, what is your research strategy, your population and sampling, and most importantly, what is your sampling technique? Why did you follow that particular sampling technique? And the sixth tip is the analysis tools and techniques. Which analysis tool you are applying and how you are going to achieve your results, how you are going to test your hypothesis, why these particular test, and which software you are applying. For example, the SPSS or the advanced version of Smart PLS or MOS, whatever. So you need to explain your analysis tool. And the seventh tip is the finding and discussion. You must discuss your findings, your results, that what were the results of your study, what you found, and based on all these things, what you are recommending to the audience. So which will be your implication of the study as well. So enjoy your conference when you will have acceptance of your paper. Enjoy your conference over there. I hope this video will help you in what to include in your conference paper. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if moreover, if you have any question for us, do write in comment section, or you can email us at the info@the rate of kalwas.com. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Bye bye.